But when we dream or we want to do something, we be like, oh yeah, we want to do this, we want to do that. But we forget who you gotta actually become to do what you want to do. So everything is hard. Any and everything is hard. This is hard. Hell yeah, this is hard. Bro, this messed me up so much. But I don't care. I'm gonna still do it. And I'm not about to listen to nobody. You know, it's one thing you just, bro, I'm just telling you, you just gotta stop listening to people, bro. Because not everybody got your best interest in whatever you want to do. And some people might be like, oh yeah, 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 you can do it, or oh, I support you, but you know, they really don't support you. Family, friends, you don't even support yourself. Like you want to do something and you still got those bad habits, bro. You gotta take those bad habits out. Yeah, it's hard. Every day is a battle within yourself. Am I sad? Am I depressed? It may look like it, but no, I'm not. This is what you just have to go through because nobody gonna save you. Nobody, bro. But you, yourself. And the quicker you learn that, everything start bending to your will. Whatever you pray for, whatever you affirm, the world would just be like, okay, he's ready. Okay, she's ready. Okay, like let's morph you into who you gotta be to do what you gotta do. So anything is hard, bro. You just can't give up because nobody gonna save you, bro. Nobody gonna save you but yourself, bro. And yeah, you gotta get right in your mind, your spirit, get right with God, and anything is possible, bro. Like you just can't give up. It's gonna be hard. So with that being said, I'm gonna get into this trading session. I was supposed to yeah, I was supposed to live trade it this morning, being the first day, but as I got to the camera, for some reason it was tweaking. So I was like, okay, let me just record it. And I have the recording. I'll probably mix it in the video, but I'm gonna just record it without the camera and just trade. So I have three funded accounts. For those who don't know what a funded account is, it is a prop firm account that you purchase a challenge, and while you purchase that challenge, it comes it comes with a account of equity, like 10K, 25K, 50K. So I purchased three and I passed three. I purchased four, I passed three. I blew the first one, like right off the back. But I have three here. So I named them Faith 1, Faith 2, and Faith 3. And I'm gonna copy trade all three of them. They're all 50K accounts. Yeah, they're funded and I'm gonna fill them up. So today we got this account, which was Faith 3, ended the day off of $400. And I did trade these two, but I activated this all late. Thought I had three, but I activated this all late. I traded this one and I hit my max drawdown, my max loss limit, daily loss limit, not max drawdown for a 2R. So that's cool. And I'm like, okay, dang, I still have this one. So I was really aiming, price was still dancing around this area. So I got back in for the buys on this account and ended up making 400. Yeah, today I would have made 12, but today I was really just trying to go over, trying to hit my weekly goal. Yes, it was high risk, but I knew what I was risking. So I was just trying to risk 2R to make as much as I can. Not as much as I can, but to make at least two, one to two, one to three, one to four. And I did it on this account. So this account ended the day off of 400. I'm gonna leave it alone. Tomorrow I'm gonna trade these for y'all to get this one out of the drawdown, right? And I'm gonna go over the the trade. So coming into the market, we wanted buys, but you know, sales could play out too. But first thing I seen was let me get close to the mic. First thing I seen coming in was that I did see go on the 1 hour, and then I seen that price was kind of on his way going back up. And I did see these highs get tapped all the time and drop. This high got tapped and dropped. I'm gonna mark it up. So these highs right here, this high got tapped right here and then dropped and then dropped and then dropped and then it's dropped down here. And then right here, if price wanted to still be bearish, it would have made this little low high and then kept going low, but we're not bearish. So price broke out of this and tapped this high, and it was interesting right here because it tapped this high and dropped. And so, but as it kept coming back up, it kept making these new higher lows, higher lows, higher lows right here. And so price came right here and dropped again. So I'm like, okay, if it keep dropping, sales could play out. And since it's making new higher lows and it's building up uh a support right here, price could just break out and I could go in for the longs. So I was more focused on buys because of the buying pressure was building up around here. When I came down to the 5 minute, all I seen was this. That's all I had to see was bullish momentum. Not wouldn't necessarily say momentum, but more bullish pressure coming above this high, these highs right here, this little high on the 5 minute. And I've seen this. That's what I seen. I'm gonna just box it because structure is structure. And I like seeing structure. So I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh, high, respect came down, respect higher low, another high, another higher low right here. Okay, price for sure. I do like these setups a lot too. I'm not gonna lie, by the way. Price is for sure gonna buy up, gonna buy out and shoot. And that's what I was telling myself. And I was like, okay, but price is dancing right here. I'm gonna wait for the momentum to come in, entry candle, engulfing candle, and it hit my buy stops. And as it hit the buy stops, I came in on first the faith one and two yeah, the phase one and two. I went in for for three contracts, um, risking 1 R, and price was dancing around, dancing around. It was going in up and out of drawdown. So I was telling myself that okay, if price comes down again, it then comes back up with momentum, I'm gonna scale in because I didn't believe that price was gonna shoot all the way this high because of this all-time highs. Previous price kept rejecting these areas and coming back down. So I'm like, okay, let me just get in. Let me risk the whole 2 R for a 1 to 1 for a 1 to 1. And price came down. So if I do that, that means this now becomes to a 25 tick stop loss. And I was just aiming for this little move right here. Price came down, unfortunately it came down and ticked me out. And I have a daily loss limit lockout set. So the actual profit loss was close for the day, yeah. All right, boom. So it stopped me out negative 150 loss. So that's all I was willing to lose for that day. So boom, that is what it is. I could have kept holding until this area actually got broken out, but I had this little limit set. I don't like holding trades when and scoop my stop loss down. I'd rather just take that L, bro, and just keep it moving. Was this a banging trade? Yeah, it happens. So what? Tomorrow, a new day. Next week, a new opportunity, so on and so forth. So boom, I seen that happened, but price was still dancing around. And then I'm gonna go to the 1 minute, and I'm gonna show you. Look. Everything is structured, bro. So it's still making higher lows, and a high, another higher low right here. So I'm like, okay, it's matching this structure. The 1 minute looking bullish, 3 minute, 5 minute. This whole support right here is making new higher lows, lows, lows. And I'm like, okay, like obviously is still respecting all these time frames, and all these time frames is sync and it's over the price is over the VWAP, respecting that VWAP. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna get in for the buys on this account once it's done activating. And they finally gave it to me, and I'm like, all right, sweet, cool. I'm gonna get in for 1 R, and then I started adding. I started adding so I could get this nice little 1.5, and so. But actually, I'm gonna talk about the sales. That's what I'm about to talk about because price could either go one way or the other. So I for sure was gonna sell under this VWAP once I see price break under here. So I see price tried to break under here, and if price was gonna reject here, this area is validated as is reacting off it and is being validated as a resistance now. This whole support turned to resistance. And if this price broke that support, I was gonna get in right here. I was gonna play off of this right here. I did have it um right here. I was playing off of this level ticks. And I was just gonna aim for a cool 1 to 2 because this trend line that's building up, right? I wasn't gonna hold it or marry the trade. So I was just waiting for all these lows to get broken, but it didn't play out. So that was it. And yeah, that's the whole trade for September 11th, 2025, excuse me. Yeah. And tomorrow. We're gonna see what we get. Tomorrow I'm not trading. I'm not trading this. I'm gonna trade these two accounts, Faith 1 and 2, and get those out of the drawdown, the 2R. So see y'all tomorrow. And yeah.